Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to explain you about backgrounds. So what are backgrounds? What are the kinds of backgrounds? Totally I am going to discuss today about total 5 things, that is background color, how to use background color, how to use background image, how to use background repeat, how to use background attachment, and how to use background position. Fine, these are all the 5 things today I'm going to say. Let me go into the code. So guys, please keep in mind I have linked the CSS file here. The file which I have linked CSS is this is the file which I have linked. So there is no code here. I am going to write now. So the file I have linked previously. So don't confuse. So first I am going with the background color. So I am taking body at a time. I am taking body. I am selecting body. So selecting body, then I am going to specify the background color for it. The background color I am going to specify is green. Fine, let me see the output. Yes, it is pure green now. Now let me go into the code. Now what I want to do is I want to add an background image to that body. So first of all I want an image, so I am taking this image. This image is ABC over here. I am taking that and I am copying into my application. Now I am keeping an image here. So background image is, we should write like this: URL ABC image. So within single quotes or double quotes we need to keep that, or else it is wrong. Fine, if we keep that, the image should be loaded. See how the image is loaded. Fine, if I write anything, I mean if I create any headings, it will be floated on that. This is heading. Fine, let me create a paragraph tag. This is paragraph. So let me see the output, see how they are rendered. So like this is the way to make your web page beautiful. Fine. Now let me go with the next concept. The next concept is background repeat. So there are two repeats. One repeat is horizontal and one repeat is vertical. So I will repeat. So background repeat X. This is horizontal, so I think this will not repeat because it is already full. So if it is a small image, it may repeat. So setting position. So the next concept is setting position where the background image should be. So I can put it as background position. I can put it on top, or I can put it on right top. Anything else I can keep. Since it is big image, you can't see what I'm doing. See, this is moved right this. So now this is default, I think so. Now the image changes. See, yes, it is moved in some right. Fine. So this is what the position tells. And we can also specify the pixel position. So if you want to specify the background is fixed, that means it should not move. We should give value background attachment to fix. Fine. Background attachment to fix. If you use this, the background will be fixed and it will not be moved anymore. So one more thing is shorthand property. What is shorthand property? Shorthand property means writing all these things in a single line. So I have written all these things in multiple lines. The code is high. So I am going to write all these things in a single line. So this is done. This is the way where CSS is very good. Fine, now I have kept the background. First I need to give the color. So the color I am giving is green. Next I need to give the URL for the image. So I have given the URL image and I need to give the repeat. Previously I have repeated repeat X, that is horizontally. Now I need to specify the position. It is right top. Fine, this is the shorthand notation. Now all the things come. See, this is the way. This is called shorthand notation. So this is all about the background. In next tutorial I am going to tell about borders. CSS is very beautiful, it is very interesting. So guys, don't miss it. In next tutorial I am going to tell about CSS borders. Until then, keep practicing.